Hey you guys, welcome back to another sewing video. I am so excited that you are here. Alright, so in today's video we are going to be making harem pants that look like this. They are super easy to make, anybody can make them, okay guys? And in the first part of the video I'm going to break it down step by step on paper, and then we are going to transfer all of that to our fabric, okay? Let's get started. Alright guys, here's our paper that represents our fabric. Fold your fabric in half. Fold it again. I labeled the fold of the fabric for you guys. Grab your pants or shorts. Fold your pants in half. Place your pant fold along the fold of the fabric. Decide how long you'd like your center fold to be and make a mark at your spot. From your mark, draw a line toward your pant and trace around your entire pant. The next thing we are going to do is cut out our pattern. Be sure guys not to cut the fold, only cut where you've traced. Then you'll end up with the front piece and the back piece. Use a long piece of extra fabric to create your drawstring. Fold fabric in half. From the fold, use your ruler to draw a long line all the way to the top of your fabric. And then you're just going to cut it out. Glue or sew along the sides and the inner leg. Leave the waist and foot holes open. On the front pant only, create a small line at the center of the waist, about 1 inch. And then you're going to cut your slit. Remember, this is the front pant only, guys. At the slit, fold down the top of the pant. Create a fold on the back as well. And then you are going to glue or sew it down. Take your drawstring, fold it in half, and glue or sew down. So just fold and glue, or fold and sew. Alright guys, now I'm going to make it and you can follow along and make it with me. Okay, you guys, this part is totally optional. You can use a safety pin to turn your drawstring right side out. Stick your safety pin through the corner of your drawstring. Close the safety pin, and then you are going to simply guide your safety pin through your drawstring. And as you guide it, just kind of pull the fabric bit by bit, and it should scrunch up, but just pull it bit by bit. This just gives it a neater finish, but it's totally up to you. This is what it should look like once you've pulled it all the way through. Nice and neat. Alright guys, now you can flip your pants right side out. The next thing we are going to do, we are going to take our drawstring and we are going to use the safety pin to guide our drawstring through the holes that we created when we made the slit. So find your slit at the waist. Use your safety pin to guide the strap throughout the fold until you've reached the other side. So guide your safety pin and just pull bit by bit until you reach the other side. And once you've pulled it all the way through, you are all done. Just adjust your waistline and that's it, guys. Great job. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.